So here's how to create YouTube automation videos with Pictory.Ai. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So, first what you need to do is to open your browser and type Pictory.Ai. Go to website. Website also provide free trial. Click on free trial in the top right corner and create your account. Use script to video tool as this is the most common tool. Now write your YouTube video's script. You can also generate script from ChatGPT like this. The script is ready. Now click on Proceed. Select a template for your video. I will select subtitle yellow template and the aspect ratio should be 16:9 in case of landscape YouTube video. The video needs some editing. Select the scene to edit. Then go to Visuals and add a video clip according to the script of the scene. Now click on Story. Select second scene. You can link the scenes by clicking on this icon. Any change in one scene will automatically bring change in other scene if the scenes are linked together. Now I will add a suitable clip in the third scene. You have to do the same process for all scenes. All the scenes are ready. Now click on Audio and apply a background music on your video. Then add a suitable voiceover track. I will apply a Yonda female voice. You can also import voiceover from your device by clicking on My Uploads. Then click on Format. Format should be 16:9 in case of landscape YouTube video and 9:16 in case of portrait video like Shorts. The last step is to download the video from top right corner. Download video. This is how you can create YouTube automation videos with Pictory.Ai.